Hello, this is Heidi Albin, and I'm here to show you how to access our free courses through Blueprint. You're going to want to go to blueprint.study. That's blueprint.study. Once there, you'll see a few different features that you can utilize. First of all, you will have an option to book a call if you have further questions about our curriculum. Next, you will be able to experience some of the different aspects of the Blueprint software. You can see what the different types of questions look like. You can see what the interactive scheduling looks like for teachers, how you can schedule different courses into different days in your calendar. And you'll see a glimpse of how the gradebook works and the different functions of the gradebook. Go to the top right corner and you click Sign Up. It will take you to a new page. At this new page, you'll be able to enter your name, an email, and a password that must be at least 8 characters long. You can choose to receive updates and marketing emails if you choose. After clicking Sign Up, you will be directed to indicate whether you are an educator or a student. So go ahead and click that you're an educator. Then you're going to fill out some information about yourself. After you enter your information, you'll click Create Site. Once you've created a site, you will be directed to your home dashboard screen. You'll notice that this gives you an overview of your class grade, assignments to grade, your calendar, and recently submitted work. To access the free lessons, go to Library on the left-hand navigation bar. In your library, you will have access to a preloaded Gaming Concepts Rising Champions course. When you click that course, you will be able to see an overview of what the course is about, as well as some additional information, and you will be able to scroll down and see the different levels that are within this course. Click on a level, and then you will see the different lessons inside of that particular level. You'll be able to see the different lessons. You'll notice that this lesson, Code of Conduct, has 3 days of the lesson in it. You can scroll down and see the various lessons and days that are in this particular unit. Return to the opening page of the course to see other units that are available, as well as the lessons contained in those units. As you scroll through the units, you can choose a lesson to look at more closely. The lesson overview will contain the instructions for the teacher, as well as the materials needed, standards that are addressed. Teachers can follow these instructions step by step while students follow along on their portal through the different pages that are available to them. The student pages include the lesson overview and then various pages within the lesson that the teacher will direct them to go to, where they can complete assignments or participate in discussion boards or learn further information. For further information about how to utilize Blueprints, please go to help.blueprint.study. We look forward to working with you and hope you enjoy these free resources. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.